Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Mazda 3. And that sounds smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Has tint all the way around, alloy wheels, and dual exhausts. I'll open this up, take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have black fabric seats. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well, so I know I'll go through this fairly quickly. Okay. So I'll go ahead and turn that down. Alright, so you see that it has 9,621 miles on this vehicle, and then you got your stereo controls and your cruise controls, push button ignition, then you have your key fob down here. As you come down, we got our cup holders, key shift, let's see, and then you got your shifter, your mode selector for sport mode, and this will control your infotainment center. So as we come up above, you can see that it's on compass right now, and it is navigation ready if you had the Mazda SD card. Okay, so we'll go ahead and back out of there. Here's your stereo. And that sounds fine. So we'll jump on over here. You see that you also can go to your entertainment, and then jump down to your settings or whatever you need to. Sounds and in vehicle. You're gonna go ahead and look at the backup camera. Here's the backup camera. Okay, then down below you have two USB ports in your stowage compartment. Up above you have your map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this Mazda 3 on the interior. All right, this vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags do not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.